You're in your 60s, vibrant and full of energy, but when it comes to intimacy, something feels off. You're not alone. Many men notice shifts as they get older. But what if you could naturally regain strength, confidence, and performance? Today, we're diving into 3 game-changing vitamins that can make all the difference. You might already have them in your kitchen, but are you using them the right way? Stick with me until the end, because we'll break down how these simple nutrients can transform your life. And hey, before we start, drop a comment below and tell me where you're watching from. Let's build a community of men who are taking charge of their health. Now, let's get into it. The hidden truth about aging and performance aging is natural, but it doesn't have to mean slowing down. Over time, our testosterone levels dip, blood circulation isn't as efficient, and stress takes a bigger toll on our bodies. The result? Lower energy, less stamina, and a decline in sexual performance. The good news? Nature has given us powerful tools to fight back. The right vitamins can work wonders, improving blood flow, boosting energy, and helping you feel like yourself again. So, which ones should you focus on? Let's find out. Vitamin number 1. The sunshine boost for your blood flow. Vitamin D. Imagine this. You wake up feeling sluggish. Your body feels heavier, and even your energy levels seem to dip. Could it be aging? Possibly. But what if the real culprit is something much simpler? A vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because your body naturally produces it when exposed to sunlight. But here's the shocking part. More than 40% of adults over 60 have low levels of vitamin D, and during the winter months, this number climbs even higher. So, why is this a problem? Because vitamin D is directly linked to blood flow and circulation, 2 crucial factors for maintaining strong, long-lasting erections. Here's how it works. Vitamin D helps your body produce nitric oxide, a powerful molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. When blood flows more efficiently, it reaches all areas of the body, including those responsible for sexual function. Studies show that men with optimal vitamin D levels experience stronger, longer-lasting erections and improved overall sexual health. But if you're not getting enough vitamin D, the opposite happens. Poor circulation can lead to weaker erections, low energy, and even cardiovascular issues. How to get more vitamin D? Sunlight exposure. Spend at least 15 to 20 minutes outside daily, preferably in the morning or afternoon, when the sun isn't too harsh. Eat vitamin D-rich foods. Include salmon, tuna, sardines, mushrooms, and fortified dairy in your diet. Consider supplements. If sunlight and food sources aren't enough, a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement can help, but always check with your doctor before starting any new supplement. Many men report noticeable improvements in their energy levels, mood, and sexual performance after just a few weeks of maintaining proper vitamin D levels. Vitamin number 2. The Energy Igniter, vitamin B12. Do you ever feel drained, sluggish, or mentally foggy, even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Millions of men over 60 experience these symptoms, and one common reason is vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is essential for 3 key functions. Energy production. It helps your body convert food into usable energy, preventing fatigue and weakness. Nerve function. B12 supports healthy nerve signaling, which is critical for muscle coordination and sensation. Blood circulation. It helps your body produce red blood cells, ensuring oxygen reaches all organs, including the reproductive system. When you lack B12, you may experience fatigue and low stamina, feeling constantly drained, even after resting. Weakened endurance, less physical and sexual stamina, brain fog and poor focus, trouble concentrating, forgetfulness, and mental sluggishness. The problem? As we age, our bodies absorb less B12 from food, making it even harder to get enough from diet alone. This is why B12 deficiency is extremely common among older adults. How to increase your B12 levels. Eat more, B12-rich foods, lean meats like chicken, beef, and turkey, eggs, dairy products, seafood like salmon, shrimp, and clams, and fortified foods, especially important for vegetarians and vegans. Consider a B12 supplement or injection. If your energy levels are still low, a high-quality B12 supplement, or in severe cases, B12 injections, can help restore vitality within weeks. Men who boost their B12 intake often report feeling more energized, mentally sharp, and physically active, a huge difference when it comes to stamina and overall well-being. Vitamin number 3, the ultimate circulation booster, vitamin E. Often called the fertility vitamin, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress, one of the biggest culprits behind aging, reduced circulation, and declining sexual performance. Here's why vitamin E is essential for men's health. Enhances blood circulation. Vitamin E helps keep your blood vessels flexible and healthy, ensuring stronger, longer-lasting erections. Poor circulation is one of the most common causes of erectile dysfunction, so maintaining proper blood flow is crucial. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can damage your heart, arteries, and reproductive system. Vitamin E acts as a natural protector, keeping your cardiovascular system in top shape while supporting overall wellness. Boosts testosterone production. Low testosterone levels can lead to decreased libido, weaker erections, and lower energy. Vitamin E plays a vital role in hormone regulation, ensuring that testosterone production stays strong as you age. How to increase your vitamin E intake. Snack on nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are packed with vitamin E and make an easy, nutrient-rich snack. Use healthy oils. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over salads, vegetables, or cooked meals for a daily dose of vitamin E. Eat more leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of vitamin E, providing additional antioxidants and fiber for overall health. Many men overlook the importance of vitamin E, but even a mild deficiency can lead to poor circulation, weaker erections, and lower sexual performance. Start adding these foods to your diet today to keep your body functioning at its best. Beyond vitamins, the winning formula for men over 60 vitamins are powerful, but they work best when combined with healthy lifestyle habits. If you truly want to optimize circulation, testosterone levels, and overall vitality, here's what to focus on. Exercise regularly. Even light activities like walking, swimming, or yoga improve circulation, keep your muscles strong, and boost testosterone production. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress leads to high cortisol levels, which can lower testosterone, disrupt sleep, and reduce libido. Try meditation, deep breathing exercises, or activities that bring you joy. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself and produces testosterone. Poor sleep can lead to fatigue, reduced energy, and weaker sexual performance. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality rest per night. By combining proper nutrition, exercise, stress management, and rest, you'll not only maintain strength and confidence, but also feel younger, more energetic, and ready for anything. Final thoughts. Take action today. By now, you know the 3 vitamins that can transform your vitality. Vitamin D for better blood flow. Vitamin B12 for energy and endurance. Vitamin E for circulation and testosterone support. But knowledge means nothing without action. So here's my question for you. Which of these vitamins should be your priority? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed advice. And if you watched all the way through, drop "I stayed until the end" in the comments. I'll know you're truly committed to reclaiming your health. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.